ये जो ब्रांड है ना, ये मैंने अपने खुद के दम पे बनाया है.
We all want to create a name for ourselves and want to pass on a legacy to the next generation. We wish to do something big, something we can be proud of. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel Bliss Crown.
In today's video, I am sharing the steps to launch your private label for marketplaces in India. I always suggest going for a private label as you are creating something for yourself. It's your brand, your identity, something to be proud of.
कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. सही वक्त पे कट लेना चाहिए, नहीं तो गिले शिकवे होने लगते हैं.
Products. Selling on marketplaces can be an easier and game changer. Stick around as we guide you through the step-by-step process of launching your private label on the online marketplaces. Step 1. Research and niche selection. The first crucial step in launching your private label online is thorough research. Start by identifying a niche or product category that aligns with your interests and has a high demand. We made a detailed video on how to find best-selling products on Amazon. If you have not seen it yet, link is in the description. Now, use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to analyze market trends, competition, and potential profitability. Remember, choosing the right niche is the foundation of your success. Understand the competition, what's working, what's not, how big is the market in India. What would be the minimum investment? Is it an indigenous product or an import? Do the research on the marketplaces, check the feedback and reviews section. Positive reviews will confirm what's good in the product, and negative reviews will highlight the gap and issues with the existing selling products. This analysis will help us in the next step of product finalization. Step 2. Find reliable suppliers. Once you've decided on your niche, it's time to find reliable suppliers for your products. Consider using platforms like Alibaba or attending trade shows to connect with manufacturers. Nowadays, a lot of contract manufacturers are available who take away most of your pain and deliver the finished goods to you. Discuss the positive and negative voice of the existing selling products. Discuss the USPs. How will you be different? Believe in giving the best product at the best prices as competition is high and the only way to build and survive is by giving value for money. Verify their credentials, request product samples, and negotiate terms that suit your business. Building a strong relationship with your suppliers is key to ensuring product quality and timely delivery. Step 3. Now that you have your products lined up, it's time to create your brand identity. Develop a memorable brand name, design a professional logo, and craft a compelling brand story. Create an informatory website if possible. This will help set your products apart and create a connection with your customers. Don't forget to secure your brand with trademark against counterfeiters. Step 4 is to understand the category selling requirements. Things depend on the niche you have chosen. If you have chosen a consumable product, then the steps are different, and if you have chosen non-consumable, steps are different. For consumables, you will be required to take necessary certificates like FSSAI, Ayush, NABEL, etc. For non-consumable, it's simple. Just create an account on marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart, and more. Give raw images of the product. Applied for trademark certificate, GST certificate. We are not going into the topic of creating a company here. If you want to know more, let us know, and we will create the video on those. Step 5 is listing optimization. The success of your private label on marketplaces depends on effective listing optimization. Craft compelling product titles, informative bullet points, and engaging product descriptions. Quality product images, tiles, clearly creating a differentiating factor. Use high-quality images and consider creating an informative video showcasing your product. Step 6 is the launch strategy. It's time to launch your private label. Consider using marketplace advertisement channels like Amazon and Flipkart PPC, pay-per-click, campaigns to boost visibility and drive initial sales. Encourage friends, family, and early customers to leave reviews, as positive reviews play a crucial role in building trust with potential buyers. Monitor your sales performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. You are new, hence creating the right confidence is the key to success. Step 7 is scaling your business. Congratulations on your successful launch. Now, it's time to scale your business. Explore additional product offerings within your niche, expand to different marketplaces, and consider implementing external marketing strategies like social media and email campaigns to drive more traffic to your marketplace listings. Creating brand awareness is a long-term process, but it should go hand in hand with your marketplace advertisement.
Success in private labeling takes time and dedication. Do not give up in the initial stages. Plan well, start with a small investment of money and time. evolve with outcomes. Sometimes the product we believe will do wonders might fail. However, we might get success from where we have no hope. Believe in giving value for money to the customer. Repeat buying is what makes a brand successful, and that is only possible if consumers find value in your product. The key is to stay persistent and adapt to the ever-changing landscape of e-commerce. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building your e-commerce empire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy selling!